Dahil sa sobrang miss ko ng aking apo, kinuha ko muna siya sa kanyang mama at hiniram ko muna dahil mag-iisang buwan bago niya dinala sa akin yan. So ako muna ang pumunta at na-miss ko ang aking apo. So let's go. Sobrang saya kasama at ang kanyang tito, hawak-hawak. So nag-e-enjoy. Sobrang saya dahil nakawala na naman ang batang are. Napaka-cute at napaka-kulit. So let's go. Sasayaw muna tayo bago.
Ano yun?
I you where the eyes? Nose. Where the nose? Wow, where the lips? Yes, where the lips? Wow, very good. Where the eyes? Where the eyes? Nose. Where the nose? Where the lips? Very good. Where's the hair? Yay, very good. Yes, mommy. Yes, what? 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 Hey, who's the princess? Oh, you like the hair, mommy, huh? Cut. Hey, who is the princess? Oh, you liking the hair, your pony, mommy, la? Hi. Tingin nga, princess, stand up. Stand up. What's that? Monster? What's that? What's that?
Mama, ako din na.
What's that? Monster? Where
What?
is the monster? Where is the monster? Stand up. May I see your dress? Stand up. Where is the princess? Stand up. May I see? May I see? Wow, princess. Wow, princess. Where's the monster? Where's the monster? Where? What? Which? Kanina monster, ngayon naman witch. Witch. What's that? Where's the witch? May I see the witch? Oh no, witch. What's beautiful? Open. Open. Sesame. Where's Nanay? Nanay. You go home na? Go to your mama? Huh? Daddy? Daddy and?
Mama.
Mommy?
Mama.
Ay, nag-burp.
Open.
Sesame! Open! Sesame! Pretty naman ang baby ko. Ang pretty naman ang princess ko.